Hi, and welcome to 927 North Kings Road in West Hollywood. I'm Anthony Volin with the Collective Realty. You're on Kings Road, one of West Hollywood's most desired streets, and we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the 3rd floor. It's a corner unit facing west, super bright. I'm excited to show you. Let's go take a look. At 927 North Kings Road in West Hollywood. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, listed at $890. Kitchen was recently updated. It used to be a galley kitchen and they opened it up. Very spacious living area with patios, and as you can see, lots of greenery, great views. Large dining area also with lots of greenery outside. Beautifully redone kitchen. It's a very bright unit. Closet that's right here. This would be a perfect place to put a washer and dryer. It's a pretty large closet, but it'd be great for that. So you can put laundry, but you can't put wood floors in the bedrooms, but the carpet looks great. Let's take a look at our first bathroom. This is a full bathroom, completely redone. Gorgeous shower, and I'm tall, so I love the high shower head. And there's also a tub, which is great. Yeah, as you can see, it's really bright. We're facing west, and this is the guest bedroom. Really great views of the Hollywood Hills. Nice size room, plenty of room, large closet. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom. Huge bedroom, definitely one of the largest master bedrooms that I've been in West Hollywood. Large window. It does look out to another building, but with the slats it's pretty private, and it is bright. We have a very large master closet. And let's go see their bathroom. Double sinks, large stand-up shower with a seat, which is really nice, and a little detail in the back. So let's take a look at the patio. It has a great view. See the Hollywood Hills. It's a little hazy today, but it's really a great view. You can even see Century City. So we're facing west, so the sun is going to be setting soon, so this will be a great place to be outside for the sunset. One last look at the living room area from another angle. And again, if you're interested in this property, please give me a call. My name's Anthony Volin with the Collective Realty at 310-569-1335. 310-569-1335. Anthony Volin with the Collective Realty. Thank you for touring 927 Kings Road, West Hollywood. Hope to see you soon.